Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Alex Suziu. In the video you are about to watch I will talk about the two reptiles, black mamba versus green anaconda. Stay with me for the few minutes this video has to understand exactly what it is about and which you will definitely understand exactly. All I can say to you for the beginning is, enjoy watching. Let's get started. Green anaconda, the giant of the Rhine forests. The green anaconda, Eunectes murinus, is one of the most fascinating and feared snake species in the world. Known for its impressive size, immense strength, and adaptability to aquatic environments, the green anaconda has aroused fascination, fear, and myths among people for centuries. This species, native to South America, is often confused with other giant snakes, but certain unique features make it unique and impressive. 1. Classification and taxonomy. The green anaconda is part of the Boidae family, which includes large non-venomous snakes. Its scientific name is Eunectes murinus, and the term Eunectes comes from ancient Greek and means excellent swimmer, reflecting its adaptation to aquatic environments. There are 4 species of anaconda, but the green anaconda is the largest and best known. Other species include yellow anaconda, Eunectes notius, smaller, found in Paraguay and northern Argentina. Bolivian anaconda, Eunectes beniensis, recently discovered in Bolivia. Black anaconda, Eunectes descawensi, rare and smaller. 2. Geographic distribution. The green anaconda is endemic to South America, being found in countries such as Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, and Guyana. These snakes live mainly in freshwater, slow-moving rivers, swamps, ponds and floodplains. The aquatic environment allows them to use their size and weight to hunt prey without being disturbed by solid ground. The green anaconda avoids desert areas and mountainous regions, being dependent on a tropical climate and constant access to water. During the rainy season, they can migrate long distances to find food and to reproduce. 3. Physical appearance and size. The green anaconda is the longest snake in South America and one of the heaviest snakes in the world. Main physical characteristics include length, can exceed 9 to 10 meters, and some unconfirmed specimens have reached up to 12 meters. Weight, between 90 to 250 kilograms, but exceptional specimens can exceed 250 kilograms. Color, olive green, with large, oval, or rounded spots of brown or black, which provide it with perfect camouflage in the aquatic environment. Body structure, massive body, strong muscles, and small but robust head. The eyes and nostrils are positioned on the top of the head, allowing breathing and observation underwater without completely coming to the surface. This giant can compress its body and slither through dense vegetation, although its massive weight makes it slower on land compared to other snakes. 4. Behavior and lifestyle. The green anaconda is an excellent predator, using ambush tactics to hunt. Its behavior includes excellent swimming. It can float and move quickly in the water, almost invisible to prey. Camouflage, the spots on its body allow it to hide among aquatic plants. Nocturnal, it is mainly active at night, when it hunts mammals, birds, and fish. Endurance, it can stay underwater for up to 10 minutes, saving its patience for the perfect moment to attack. The green anaconda uses its bite to pin down its prey and then squeezes it tightly, strangling it until it is incapacitated. This method of constriction killing is effective against large animals, including capybaras, deer, and even caimans. 5. Diet and hunting. The green anaconda's diet is extremely varied, including mammals, capybaras, young tapirs, monkeys, reptiles, caimans and other snakes, birds, swans and ducks, fish and amphibians in occasional cases. The green anaconda does not eat daily, preferring to consume large prey, which can provide it with food for several weeks. After swallowing the prey, digestion can take between 1 and 2 months, during which the snake becomes slower and more vulnerable. 6. Reproduction. The green anaconda has a fascinating reproductive cycle. Mating usually takes place in the dry season, between April and May. The female's harem, several males can pursue the same female, forming a mating shell in which the female chooses the dominant partner. Eggs and young. The green anaconda is ovoviviparous. The female does not lay external eggs, but gives birth to live young, usually between 20 to 40 young, which measure 60 to 80 centimeters at birth. Females are significantly larger than males and can reach sizes that allow them to dominate large territories. Males, smaller and weaker, feed more discreetly to avoid confrontations with large females. 7. Relationship with humans. The green anaconda is generally not aggressive towards humans, but can pose a real danger. Cases of attacks on humans are rare, but possible, especially in remote areas. In local culture, the anaconda is often associated with myths and legends about giant creatures that can swallow people whole. The green anaconda is illegally hunted for its skin and for the exotic trade, which threatens some local populations. 8. Records and curiosities. Longest snake. Unconfirmed record suggests specimens up to 12 meters long. Heaviest female. Some females have been weighed at over 250 kilograms. Aquatic ability. Can swim quickly and discreetly, surprising prey. Hunting methods. The strangulation of prey is so powerful that some victims die without obvious external signs. 9. Conservation. The green anaconda is not in immediate danger of extinction, but threats include habitat loss due to agriculture and deforestation, illegal hunting for skins and exotic trade, disturbance of aquatic ecosystems. Protecting wetlands and tropical rivers is essential for the survival of this impressive species. 10. Myths and cultural perception. Over time, the green anaconda has become the subject of films, books, and legends. Films like Anaconda have exaggerated its size and dangers to create a sensation. In local mythology, the anaconda is a symbol of the power and mystery of the jungle. Researchers point out that biological reality is as fascinating as fiction, without the need for exaggeration. Conclusion. The green anaconda remains one of the most impressive snakes in the world, combining its colossal size, the ability to hunt efficiently, and its adaptation to the aquatic environment. Despite the fear it inspires, this snake plays an essential role in tropical ecosystems and deserves careful protection and study. The fascinating combination of strength, grace, and mystery makes the green anaconda a giant of the rainforest that continues to captivate people around the world. Snake Black Mamba, Queen of African Vipers. The black mamba is a venomous snake of the Elapidae family, native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is known for its speed, highly toxic venom, and often aggressive behavior. Contrary to its name, its skin color is usually olive gray or brownish, and its name comes from the inside of its mouth, which is an intense black. Habitat and distribution. The black mamba prefers open habitats, such as savannas, open woodlands, and rocky areas. It is found in southern and eastern Africa, in countries such as South Africa, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and Tanzania. Although it is a terrestrial species, it can climb trees and often shelters in termite mounds or rocky crevices. High voltage physical characteristics and behavior. Size and speed. The black mamba is the longest venomous snake in Africa, reaching lengths of up to 4.5 meters, although most specimens measure between 2 and 3 meters. It is also one of the fastest snake species, capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. Venom and dangers. The venom of black mambas contains potent neurotoxins, which can lead to respiratory paralysis and rapid death if antivenom is not administered. Without treatment, bites can be fatal within 20 minutes to 3 hours. However, most bites are dry or partial, and survival is possible with proper treatment. Behavior and interactions with humans. The black mamba is a shy species that prefers to avoid contact with humans. Attacks are rare and usually result from defense. However, due to its speed and aggressiveness when it feels threatened, it is considered one of the most dangerous snake species. DNA ecology and role in the ecosystem. Diet and hunting. The black mamba feeds on small mammals, birds, and snakes. It hunts by ambush, using its speed and venom to immobilize prey. It is a solitary species, active mainly during the day. Role in population control. By catching and consuming prey, the black mamba helps maintain ecological balance, controlling populations of rodents and other small animals. This role is essential for the health of the ecosystem, preventing overpopulation and the spread of diseases. Test tube recent research and scientific uses. Bioindicators of pollution. Recent studies have shown that black mambas can serve as bioindicators of pollution. By analyzing the scales of snakes in urban areas, researchers have found the accumulation of heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and arsenic, indicating high levels of pollution in the environment. This finding suggests that black mambas can be used to monitor environmental quality in urban African areas. Brain myths and realities. Throughout history, the black mamba has been shrouded in myths and legends. Some African cultures consider the snake a symbol of death or revenge. However, most of these stories are exaggerations, and the real behavior of black mambas is dictated by the instinct of self-defense and survival. Shield conservation and protection. Although the black mamba is not considered an endangered species, protecting its natural habitat is essential to maintaining ecological balance. Conserving forests and savannas, as well as educating local communities about the importance of this species, are important steps in protecting black mambas and their ecosystems.